Annotate, a key skill for IELTS and academic success. Have you ever found yourself scribbling notes in the margins of a book or adding comments to a document? If so, you've been annotating without even realizing it. Today, we're exploring the word annotate, a crucial skill for IELTS success and a valuable tool in academic and professional settings. Word type: annotate is a verb. Its related forms include the noun annotation and the adjective annotated. Meaning, to annotate means to add notes, comments, or explanations to a text or document. It's the act of providing additional information or interpretation to enhance understanding or analysis. Word history: the word annotate comes from the Latin annotatus, which is the past participle of annotare, meaning to note down. It's composed of ad meaning to and notere meaning to mark. This etymology reflects the core idea of adding marks or notes to something. Antonyms: while annotate doesn't have direct antonyms, some contrasting concepts include ignore, overlook, or disregard. Synonyms: some synonyms for annotate include comment, gloss, note, explain, elucidate, and expound. Examples used in sentences. Researchers often annotate their data to provide context and insights for future analysis. The professor asked students to annotate the poem, highlighting literary devices and personal interpretations. Legal documents are frequently annotated to clarify complex terminology or reference relevant case law. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing annotate with notate. While both involve adding information, notate typically refers to writing down music or recording observations in a specific system. Another error is using annotate when simply meaning to write or record without the implication of adding explanatory notes. Mastering the use of annotate and its related forms can significantly enhance your academic writing and reading comprehension skills. It's a powerful tool for critical analysis and demonstrates a sophisticated approach to engaging with texts. Remember, effective annotation goes beyond mere highlighting. It involves adding valuable insights, questions, or connections that deepen your understanding of the material. By incorporating this word and concept into your IELTS preparation and beyond, you'll be well equipped to tackle complex texts and express your ideas with precision and clarity.